You know, one thing I hear over and over again is people tell me they wish they had more time to make homemade desserts. And that's exactly why I love this recipe. It's so easy. You can whip it together. You can take it to picnics, church potlucks, barbecues. Super easy, super delicious, and the best part of all, you don't even have to turn on an oven. Let me show you how we can make it. When my mom made this dessert, she always used Nilla wafers for the crust. Then, one day, I spotted lemon Oreos at the grocery store, and I thought to myself, why not give those a try? I'm so glad I did because they add another layer of bright lemon flavor. I divide the package, putting half of the package in the food processor at a time. I like to work in batches because it makes sure all the Oreos are evenly crumbled. You can also put the Oreos in a Ziploc bag and crush the cookies with like a rolling pin or something. That works okay too. Then, after all the Oreos are crumbled together, I mix in my melted butter. Mix thoroughly. After everything is combined well, I pour the Oreo butter mixture into a 9 by 13 dish. I like using the bottom of a measuring cup to gently make the crust. Then I place the dish in the refrigerator while I make the next layer. That's going to be our cheesecake layer. And I beat 2 softened packages of cream cheese until they're smooth. Add my sugar and vanilla and mix well. Then gently fold in the whipped topping. Now we're folding it together so we can still keep that airy texture of the whipped topping. I hope you're enjoying today's recipe, and I'd like to invite you to join our recipe club. It's completely free, and every week I'll send you an easy recipe that's perfect for sharing with family and friends. I'll leave the link in the description below. So when everything is incorporated together, we pour this cheesecake mixture over the Oreo crust. Then I like to put it back in the refrigerator because our next layer is the lemon pudding. Whisk together 2 packages of instant lemon pudding with milk. And we keep mixing it until it becomes thickened. Stop the mixture, get our dish out of the refrigerator, and then spread that pudding mixture over the cheesecake layer. Then our final layer. We're going to spread the remaining whipped topping over the pudding. Doesn't that just look so good? And just for a little extra, I like to top it with some lemon zest. That's a little extra burst of lemon flavor. Then we need to chill our dessert for 2 to 4 hours before serving. Now, before I cover it with plastic wrap, I like to insert some toothpicks on the top. This helps prevent the plastic wrap from sticking to the whipped topping. Okay. Kind of up. Look how pretty that is. Oh, all those layers. Oh, this is going to be so delicious. Now, the best part of making a dessert is tasting a dessert. Mm. I love the bright lemon flavor, the creaminess. It's so refreshing. It's so delicious. I hope you've enjoyed spending time with us today and making this layered lemon dessert. It's really good. And I have a feeling it might become one of your family's favorites because it's definitely one of mine. Thanks for stopping by Everyday Eats with Ellen. We'll see you next time.